Good afternoon, it's Patrick Johnston, your guy in real estate in the DR. Here we are, GoDominicanLife.com and LasTerrenasLife.com, right here in beautiful my home turf of Las Terrenas in Samana. Today we're going to show you a project that is selling well, doing well. This is their second build. They have another one just down the street we'll show you in a few minutes. And the most important thing here is that the pricing is great. The pricing starts here for a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath for $162,000 American. It's an Italian builder. The quality is good, and the marketing, of course, and what we do is good for you because you're watching our YouTube channel. We love that. We appreciate that very much. So I thought I'd take you through on a construction site. You can see work in progress. We probably have another 60 to 90 days before this is ready. But let's go and see a tour of the building. Come on with me. So these are 2 and 3 bedrooms. There's 2 independent villas that are here that are being marketed. These properties themselves it was a former house and they've made it into 2 units. And then we have a 12-unit building behind us here to take a look at. So let's walk through and see what's going on. So they're putting the arbors on. You can see the penthouse suite has an arbor on the top, which is going to be really, really cool. We're literally 50 or 75 meters to the beach of Playa Punta Papi. We are about a 3-minute walk to the center of town. Colmados, which is a convenience store, restaurants, bars are all within 100 meters of right here. So you have a lot to choose from for your dining and entertainment. There's also, right across the street, is a project which we'll show you later. But that project was done, I don't know, 5 years ago roughly. And those units are now selling between $250,000 and $450,000. So when you price something like this from $162,000, it's a great value. Now we're going to go this way. So the construction sites, of course, the boys are working their butts off, getting things done. You can see where the pool is going to be. And we'll take a look at the ground floor unit, and then we'll take a look at the top floor unit as well, which will be a 2-level penthouse suite. So this will be the kitchen and living room area. The bathroom is being built now. The boys are working on it right now. Shower. Most properties in the Dominican Republic are shower only. It's very rare that you'll have a bathtub. Why? Who wants to have a hot bath in the Caribbean sun? So this one's a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath, as an example. Now let's go on upper units and show you what is happening there. I think this is a 2-bedroom, but let's look at this one here as well. Now this is another 1-bedroom. It's going to have a lot of glass because it's an end unit. Again, full bath, master bedroom, master bath. You can see some of the built-in furniture that they're going to be selling with this as well, which is kind of cool. So let's go up and see the upper floors. Let's go right to the top floor. So again, because it has, this is a bigger living space, glass, the patio outside, a nice window, master bath, separate bath, master bedroom, and bath. So, again, if you're a couple with no kids, a 1-bedroom suite like this, it's great value for $162,000 in the From area. Now, so there's lots of things to choose from in this town, and why people choose one project over another is sometimes it's price, sometimes it's inclusions, and sometimes overall it's location. So when you're choosing real estate and you're looking to work with someone who has experience in this country, that has sold in a history, just last year alone, over 100 homes in this country. We're on track for more than that this year, of course. But beyond that, the history of us and the team is excessive. So I've sold personally more than 3,500 homes in my career, and more than $1 billion of personal purchases back when I was selling real estate in Canada. So lots of stuff going on, but this video was about you and showing you examples of pricing, location, quality, and trust. We only work with quality builders that we know well. They know us as a company, we know them as a company. And of course, you are always protected as a consumer because any of your deposits always go through the lawyer of trust, what we trust, and there's payment plans according to each construction and to the term of the construction and the progress. So with that said, just a short video on a construction update. This is called Coral Stone 2 here in beautiful Las Terrenas. Bye everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and send me a comment down below. Adios.